Secure those ropes now.
Push the boats into the water!
Let's move, we don't have much time.
Swing wide around that debris. Check the rooftops on the left. Quickly now.
All right, easy now. Get him in the boat quickly, we have more to rescue up ahead.
A mama cat loves her kitten with a quiet, deep love. She holds it close, protects it from every fear, and keeps it warm with her gentle touch. Every purr is a promise that she will never leave her baby alone. Watching her reminds us that the purest love in the world is the love that asks for nothing just to keep someone safe.
Is the incubator ready? Yes, warmed and sterilized. Vitals look good. Let's begin the prep sequence.
Look at them. They are absolutely beautiful.
A perfect delivery. Congratulations, Mama Cat.
Even before her kittens are born, a pregnant mama cat shows love and care. She prepares a safe, warm space for them, rests carefully, and protects herself so she can give the best care. Her love begins long before birth, teaching us that a mother's care and courage start even before her children arrive. Mama cat loves her child with a gentle, fearless heart. She keeps her kin close, protects it from danger, and comforts it with every soft purr. Even when the world feels big and scary, her love makes her baby feel safe. Watching her reminds us that a mother's love is pure, strong, and truly endless. Mama cat watches her kitten play with gentle eyes full of love. Every tiny jump, every playful paw makes her heart warm with pride. She lets her baby explore, but always stays close to keep it safe. Their playful moments show that love isn't just protection, it's joy, trust, and growing together. They remind us that the simplest moments of love can make life beautiful.